Mark and Julie hanging with the Hyatts. We're headed out on the Hatfield McCoy Adventure Tour through Twin Hollow Campground. There's 17 buggies today. We'll be going to Hatfield McCoy history sites and other historical sites. Here we are. We're in the Devil Ants trail system on the tour. We're supposed to cover 110 miles today. It's a pretty day right now, a little dusty. I think there's 17 buggies in the tour, something like that. Okay guys, we're coming into Mate 1, West Virginia. It's a big history town. Look it up, you can find about the Mate 1 massacre. I'm going to eat at some new little restaurant over here. I'll show you when we get there. We ate at a little burger joint in Mate 1. It was really good. Right across from the gas station. Now we're on the outlaw trails in Kentucky. It's beautiful. We're on top of a mountain. Here we go, guys. We made it to the top of the world on our tour. Here we go. We're going up a hill on our little tour. Yeah, these are outlaw trails, so they're not maintained, keep in mind, by anybody. Here we go. We are still on our tour. We are deep in the woods on the outlaw trails. Oh my God, if you're in the area and you're into the outlaw trails and adventure, you have to check it out. Oh wow, look, we're at the top of the mountain. It's almost sunset. It is beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? Here we go. We're headed back. We just got back in Gilbert on our tour. Our last stop is going to be the distillery up here. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the trails.